Tonight in Fox Safety, it's not a hurricane but hail that has thousands of homes in Bossier Parish waiting for repairs. You're looking at video of the storm that hit the area back in April. Since then, contractors have been busy fixing the damage dealt to roofs and windows of the nearly 5,500 homes affected by that weather event. Delays from heat and rain and COVID shutting down materials manufacturers slowed the process. Now homeowners and construction companies are bracing for more repairs after Hurricane Laura moves through our area.
Wind is just as bad for a roof as hail is, so I think that we will have more damage after we get through with the storm that's coming through tomorrow.
Experts recommend homeowners use a licensed contractor for repairs.